Hello and good evening. We give you the conversations you want to hear from your favorite icons and athletes. I'm Diego Dario. Watch the game live and our past episodes on demand on the Pilipinas Live app for just 99 pesos a month. Available for download on Google Play or the App Store.
Ready or not, buckle up sports fans, let's get in the game.
And after the break, we shift to volleyball as the Chocomucho Flying Titans share their experience at the VTV Cup. Stay tuned, you're watching the game. Welcome back, you're still watching the game. The Chocomucho Flying Titans secured a remarkable bronze medal finish in their VTV International Women's Volleyball Cup stint over in Vietnam. Now here with us to share their experience is Chocomucho Flying Titans head coach, Coach Dante Alin Sunurin, and 2023 VTV Cup Best Middle Blocker, Madi Madaya. Again, this is such a special episode kasi debut dito sa studio ni Madi Madaya. Welcome guys to the game. Coach Dante, sanay na.
Jegs, bago natin puntahan yung Vietnam na topic muna, just one note on the previous PVL conference. That was your first full conference, diba? I mean, if you can... kasi parang yung nagkaroon ka ng off-season kahit pa paano na talagang nahawakan mo yung team, although mabilis yung off-season. And even if in terms of numerical placing, it does not sound good or look good, a lot of the fans and a lot of people think, and Maddie, chime in please na, that was a good conference because of the improvements that the team made, the way you guys looked, the way you guys battled. Medyo kinakapos ng konti sa dulo, pero ang dami mga 5-setters na sobrang exciting. What was your assessment of that last conference? Unahin nakita, Coach Dante.
Doon sa naging performance namin nung second conference, talagang nandun na kami. Sabi ko nga nung first conference, hinahanap namin yung panalo. Nung second conference, marunong na kaming manalo. Ngayon, kailangan talaga namin ditong susunod na conferences, makakuha na lang ng podium finish. Pero doon sa naging performance namin kasi talagang inuunti-unti namin mapa-depensa, mapa-floor defense, mapa-blockings, and offense namin talagang sinatsaga namin. Kahit yung middle, binibigyan namin ng anong kanilang trabahuhin, hindi lang basta offense, kailangan more on mag-focus sa blockings. Yun, naging maganda yung resulta. Konting usap sa mga players kasi sabi ko nga, lahat to may narating na. Kailangan lang talaga namin maibalik kung ano yung meron sila dati pa.
Mandy, your thoughts on that conference? You looked so loose. The team looked like they were enjoying themselves. And yun nga, may games that were so good. Now that you think about it, what's your assessment of that conference?
Well, I agree with what you guys said, no, na parang we all look lighter, na mas gusto naming maglaro, lumalaban kami, but yun nga, kinakapos lang kami sa dulo. And I think that's what we're working on right now, especially sa VTV Cup, dun natututo talaga kaming manalo, and ang sarap ng feeling manalo. And coming from like a star-studded team, ang daming players sa team namin na magagaling, but it's just really hard to bring them all together and make them perform together, gel together. So, yun lang. And what I liked about Coach Dante and his system is hindi niya kami minamadali sa mga bagay-bagay. Yun nga, one step at a time, dahan-dahan niyang ini-introduce yung mga gusto niyang gawin namin sa loob ng court, and slowly but surely, na-adapt na namin yung system na gusto niya makita sa amin.
And sabi ni Maddie, Coach, slowly but surely, one step at a time. And part of those steps is, competing in this VTV Cup experience sa Vietnam, Coach. Paano makakatulong itong whole experience? Kwento man naman sa amin yung mga natutunan nyo doon leading up to the PVL, syempre.
Syempre, nagpapasalamat ako sa Ribisco. Binigyan kami ng pagkakataon na makapunta sa international competition kasi based doon sa naging pat ko sa pagiging coach, yun ang sinisimula namin pumunta sa mga international training camp or competition. Ngayon, based naman doon sa performance namin, marami kaming natutunan dito. Lalo na doon sa semifinals namin. Talagang down na kami by 7. Talagang kita mo talaga na yung team talagang hindi na alam ang gagawin. Siguro...
Ito yung nag-12-5. Tama, no? Sa fifth set.
Hindi, yes. Tapos siguro may time na talagang doon ako medyo nagtaas ang boses. Siguro talagang sabi ko, ito yung chance natin na para matutunan natin na kahit napapagod tayo, kailangan natin lampasan pa yung pagod natin para kung ano man yung gawin natin, yung decision making ay magiging tama.
Meron ba tayong video nung nagtataas ng boses?
Oh, parang gusto ko nga
That's very
marinig.
rare.
Oo, talaga
Very
gusto ko
rare.
malaman yun.
Bira lang yung bira. Sabi nga, sabi ng mga friend, Coach, galit ka na yan. Ikaw hindi naman. Basta importante lang, meron tayong gustong mangyari dito sa sa liga na to.
Okay, Maddie, what was the goal personally for you and for the team going into your first international na competition?
Well, actually, biglaan yung pagtawag sa amin
Right,
na
okay.
Chocomucho yung sasali sa
Representative.
BTV. But, ayun nga, pinag-usapan namin, nag-meeting kami agad-agad. As in the day before, pinagsabi kami na may meeting daw kami. So, we thought, ano to? Parang something important. And then, ayun nga, in-announce sa amin. So, entering the competition, the league, parang we just wanted more exposure for the team. Especially na international yung kalaban. That's really a big help for us to play, how to win. Ayun lang.
Well, yeah, you talked about the team experience. Gusto ko naman malaman yung individual experience naman, Maddie. You won the best middle blocker. I mean, of course, coming from an injury as an athlete, I kind of, experienced that as well. Ang hirap to bounce back and to even get stronger before that injury. How are you so far with that whole process, Maddie?
Honestly, I'm just really grateful sa system namin and sa coaches na yun talaga yung focus is as a middle blocker, to block talaga. And lalo na hindi ako palaging nakapuntos, bumabawi lang ako sa trabaho ko na dapat gawin, like service, sa blockings, and being a leader inside the court.
You're seeing some pictures from Vietnam of the games against teams like Japan and Vietnam at saka yung Vietnam 2. There was one game that you had 16 points. Now, which game was that? Was that the last game against Japan? Or like 16 points, 12?
not sure.
Kita mo, hindi
na maalala.
naalala, no? Pero,
Kasi maraming magandang game
and the reason why I say that...
I don't keep track kasi with my score.
That's okay. We do. That's our job. Pero the reason why I say that, sabi nga niya, di ba, ang middle blockers, they don't usually score. So,
Right.
to score 16 in a game for a middle blocker, Jegs, I always say this to you, di ba, na parang, it's my favorite story, the comeback story,
Yeah,
facing
of
adversity, injury, and coming back like that. So, personally, I'm very, very happy for you.
Thank you.
Are you 100% back? Masasabi na ba natin ganun for you physically?
Physically, yes.
Mentally?
Of course, matagal
Okay na rin.
mentally.
Ah.
It's
Yun!
just, yung physical lang
Kitang-kita
talaga yung
naman.
mahirap na,
Right.
like, I'm mentally tough naman as a player, but sometimes yung physical mo talaga,
Right,
it's
right.
really hard to...
Sumunod na.
Yeah.
Oh. Coach, what was the intention naman for you as a coaching staff with this VTV Cup, knowing na medyo matindi rin yung mga makakalaban, nandun nga si T4 din in the tournament?
Yung sa una talaga, sinabi namin talagang opportunity lang and exposure ng team. Yun lang talaga yung pinakaunang naisip na gusto namin mangyari sa liga na yun. Kasi hindi namin kilala yung mga teams na makakalaban namin. Ang alam namin is from national team and club team.
Hindi niyo masyado na-scout
Yes,
yan.
kaya nung first day na nanalo kami, nakita namin, may chance tayo.
Which was against Japan.
Japan.
Tama?
Yes, may Japan. Nanalo kami. Then, sabi ko, sige, kailangan natin scout lahat ng teams. And nakita namin na ng coaches na kailangan natin i-balance itong every game kasi medyo sunod-sunod yung game natin. Kailangan balansihin. Tingnan natin kung sino talaga yung pwede nating labanan. Tingnan natin kung sino yung kailangan ma-expose lang yung mga player natin. Para, kasi ito naman yung gusto natin mangyari na yung lahat ng player natin makalaro.
Yes.
Yun, naging maganda yung resulta, naging halos lahat nakalaro naman sa mga games. And yun, sana magtuloy-tuloy lang kung ano yung natutunan namin sa BTV. And
Coach,
apply namin sa
Right.
Si Coach sanay na sa international.
Oh, nga, yun nga, Coach. I was about to ask you quickly lang, Coach, na as a fan, I'm very curious, bakit iba yung international? Bakit, why not just train here in the Philippines, with other teams? Ano yung pagkakaiba training and having games international stage?
Siguro based sa akin sa sistemang tinuturo ko kasi based dun sa international talaga yung ginagawa ko para sa player ko. Inaalin ko sa pagtuturo ko. Kaya parang yung ang nangyayari, ito yung tinuturo ko o pag meron tayong international, nakikita nila, coach, ito nga yung tinuturo mo, ito nga yung ginagawa nila. Parang ang sa akin is doon ko pinapaniwala yung mga player ko na ito yung talagang ginagawa sa international.
Coach, may nagpapatanong, ano raw pakiramdam ng manalo ng nakapag-podium both in the men's and women's? May nagpapatanong lang.
Si Maddie, nagtatanong actually.
Nagpapatanong.
Siyempre sobrang proud din ako sa sarili ko na-achieve ko. And siyempre hindi ko rin naman magagawa siyempre sa coaching staff din and sa management na binibigay sa akin ng pagkakataon. siguro lagi lang sinuswerte lang lagi ako sa ganitong sitwasyon na maganda yung maganda lagi yung intention ko sa mga bata ko.
Oo naman. Yun naman alam
Yes.
natin. Maddie, real quick, yung semifinals, medyo mabigat yung naging dulo doon. But what an intense game, di ba? 5 setters. Ang hilig nyo talaga sa mga 5 setters.
Favorite namin yun.
Favorite number 5 talaga. But what was the biggest lesson from that? You were one set away from being in the finals.
Ever since, no, Choco Mucho, yung kulang talaga is panapos. If you see our previous games,
Yes.
maganda yung start namin, pero sobrang kinakapos kami at the end. So I think, siguro naman we learned a lot from, especially in the semifinals, na it's a really important game. It's just one win away to play in the finals, di ba? So, nilaban namin yung fourth set. As in, hinabol talaga namin yun. But then, nung fifth set, parang naubos kami. So, I think, kinulang lang talaga and we have to learn from that experience and move on and be better. Sa,
Pero as athletes, yun yung mga gusto natin na ma-experience yung being in that situation. Kasi, practice can't really do that. Game talaga matututo. Pero in terms
Good
of
point.
experience, Maddie, in terms of, yung bonding nyo as a team, international trips lagi naman na it helps the team bonding
Yes.
outside the court. Ano yung mga ginawa nyo to improve that for Choco Mucho?
well, siguro kasi after the tournament, we talked as a team. So I think starting from there, no, mas maganda na yung magiging relationship namin kasi we also talked about the conference or the league that we played in. So hopefully maganda yung outcome nung talk namin as a team and ayun, tuloy-tuloy na lang sana.
And by the way, quick congratulations, of course, to CC Rodina, who's also, best outside hitter in the tournament. Coach, speaking of CC and the rest of the team, we're looking forward to the next PVL season. What are parang the tweaks that you're going to do now going into that next one, knowing na may experience, naka-podium, may mga heartbreaks ng previous season, and may mga learnings? What are we looking forward to now?
Siguro, i-continue lang namin kung ano yung naging performance namin sa BTV Captain. Pag-aaral pala talaga namin kung sino talaga yung everyday game talaga. Importante kasi sa amin yung plano talaga. Talagang small details talaga kailangan namin ipin sa kanila.
And of course, that process, tuloy-tuloy yan until the PVL for sure, Coach. And thank
We're
you so much.
excited, we're excited,
Super
we're
excited.
excited.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for your time, Maddie and Coach Dante. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
so
thank you so
much
much.
for having us.